The ultimate flagship is here. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra with an incredible 200-megapixel camera, massive 8000 mAh battery, and the power of AI is coming soon. Let's dive into the details. You've been asking for it, and now we have it. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature a 200-megapixel main camera. That's right. After years of speculation, Samsung has finally decided to bring the absolute best camera to the market. With this new sensor, you can capture stunning, ultra-clear photos and videos with incredible detail and clarity. Whether you're taking a picture of a scenic landscape or a close-up portrait, the 200-megapixel resolution will allow you to see every single thing in the photo. So excited, but that's not all. This new camera also comes with next-level features like advanced low-light performance and super steady stabilization for smooth video recording even on the move. And get this, it supports 8K video recording at 30 frames per second. Now you can capture truly cinematic videos on your phone that will make your friends and family say, wow. And here's another game changer, the 8000 mAh battery. Finally, a battery that can keep up with our busy lifestyles. Say goodbye to constantly charging your phone, because with this massive battery, you can go all day and beyond without worrying about running out of power. It's as perfect for heavy users who need to rely on their phones for everything from work to entertainment. And let's not forget about the stunning 144Hz dynamic AMOLED display. This means you'll get incredibly smooth and responsive swiping and scrolling. It's perfect for playing games, watching videos, or just browsing your favorite social media app. Plus, the display is also incredibly bright and vibrant. So you'll get a great viewing experience no matter where you are. Under the hood, the S26 Ultra packs some serious power with the 16 GB of RAM and the brand new Snapdragon 8 Gen 6 chip. This means lightning-fast performance when playing games or multitasking with multiple apps open at once. Plus, with 1 TB of storage, you won't have to worry about running out of space for your photos, videos, and apps. Now let's talk about connectivity. The S26 Ultra supports the latest 5G and Wi-Fi 7 standards, which means super fast download speeds and streaming without any buffering. And if all of that wasn't enough, the S26 Ultra also has a premium sleek design. It's slim, stylish, and futuristic looking with the latest Gorilla Glass Victus 3 material for maximum protection against scratches and drops. We know you've been waiting for this for a long time, and now it's finally here. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra with an incredible 200-megapixel camera, massive 8000 mAh battery, and the power of AI. It's the ultimate flagship phone that can do it all. As usual, Samsung will shock the world by introducing mind-blowing AI features with the S26 lineup. What kind of AI features do you expect from the S26 series? Let us know in the comments section below. And for all the latest updates on the S26 series, be sure to subscribe. We'll keep you posted on all the latest news, and we'll see you in the next one.